Hello students, exam time has come. Best of luck to all of you. But along with that, nothing to worry about it. We have come with some useful tips that will help you throughout your exam and that will guide you how to do programming effectively. Suppose you have a question in your exam to write a program. Understanding the inputs and understanding the output first is very important. And to understand that, you need to have a clear idea of all the types of tokens. Suppose here you have let C equal to K plus 273. This line of code in QBasic. So from here we are understanding let is the command that we have to write whenever we need to do any type of calculation. Now K is the input that we will ask from the user and C is the output that after the calculation, after the conversion of the temperature, we will print out as the result or we will display as the result. So this way, understanding be it's QBasic, be it's Python, understanding the input and understanding the output when you have the question in your desktop uh, is very important. Now, next part, if you have a program like convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and you need a mathematical formula there, now just typing out the formula this way, C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9 is a wrong method. You need to solve that and you need to derive the formula that has been asked as the output. So here solving that equation I have got f equals to 9c plus 180 by 5 and also I have created the Bottomless rule as machine doesn't understand that so that my calculation is easier. So this way when you have the question, relate it with the mathematics behind, relate it with the logic behind and try to depict it in your answer sheet. Same goes for not only program, all types of questions in computer as line by line we will not mug up anything. We will have a reasoning based study. We will have one application based study. Whenever you are practicing something in computer, understand the steps that you are doing, follow the steps after which option, what are the dialog boxes coming, what are the options coming and where you are clicking to get that done. That is very important. And have a note somewhere so that you do not forget that group name or do not forget that tab name and you can answer easily. Try to relate everything what you do in maths or whatever application you get, why to write that program and how to write that program. Even if you forget the programming lines, try to write the steps. Suppose I tell you product of three numbers. As I say three numbers, you are understanding three numbers will be the input. Step 1. Step 2, calculate. Step 3, print out. Step 4 will be end. So these are the steps what we call algorithm. Then even if you don't if you think you are good in flowchart and you are not understanding the program properly, draw the flowchart first and this will help you relate all the programs step by step diagrammatically and description wise also. So best of luck for your exam. Do reasoning based study, do application based study and practice the programs as posted in the module and solve the assignments and learn the steps by watching the videos. Thank you.